Lord Cybertruck presents. So, I was just playing one day and then I hear this music. And I have no other apps open, and there's nothing in the background because if I turn off the sound, well, it stopped playing. But I literally have no other apps open, so it must be from Simple Sandbox 2. Like, this is weird. I mean, it sounds nice, but where's it coming from? Oh, and that's Povelas, by the way. Let's wave to Mr. Povelas. Where's the wave motion? And he built some kind of car. Oh my, look at that train. Wow, where could that be coming from? Like, really? This is kind of creepy, to be honest. And I hope it's recording this, the music, because I literally have no idea where it's coming from at all. There's nothing in my background, no apps open, and if I turn off the sound, like now, you can't hear it. So I don't know what the thing is. Oh, and here's a little spoiler. July 4th, 2021. There you go. A little spoiler for something. And if you go digging around in some, old video comment section, you might find a hint. Anyways, I haven't been playing much lately because when this latest update, they removed all of my maps. They're all gone. Poof. And like 2 weeks ago, I was supposed to make like free music videos, and I, made this random one that I just got lucky to make. I remade an older song video, whatever, into another language, Spanish if you are unfamiliar. But I was supposed to make other videos too. Luckily, one of the maps were that I saved on my phone. I can tablet make videos on it, and so I can make Blood on the Dance Floor X Dangerous mashup. I was unable to make Smooth Criminal and Mortal version when you're locked out. Seriously, where is this coming from? I mean, I can't be the only one hearing this. And I'm not playing any music. My Bluetooth is off, so I don't know what it could be. This is a nice car. Oh no, it's getting stuck in my head. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Gosh darn it. Wow, it's almost stuck in my head now. That's not good. Wait, what is this? What's this server even called? Thomas and Friends Roleplay, okay. You know, I'm gonna go underground because there's definitely something, and the radios don't have any new songs, so I'm genuinely confused here. And if you don't know how to go underground, this is a little help tip for you. So get this chair from the space pack. It's the black one that I would use for taking off into some kind of rocket, right? And I would then get the this is so annoying having to like fill them out like this. That's weird. Anyways, then get one of the runways from the airport pack, because it's big and long. I mean, I'm not trying to, but you know, that way when you spawn underground, you won't fall into the void and get, killed. There is nothing here. Where is that sound coming from? Oh my goodness. I know I'm not going insane, because, well, I'm not. So something's not right. And this is, I swear, this is not like a quick clickbait or anything. I legitimately have no idea what's going on. I don't know if this is Simple Sandbox 2, so I'm just making a video about it. Because I literally have no idea what's going on. At all. What? That wasn't me. Oh, I got a little concerned there for a minute. But yeah, basically until they fix the map problem, I won't really play Simple Sandbox 2 a lot, because there's not much reason to play when you can't access your old maps anymore. All I have are these weird crappy maps that I thought I lost. Like, really. Where's my AK? Here it is. Legitimately, I have no idea where this is coming from. I'm gonna do an experiment and see if it's just the server or what. It's pretty catchy, wow. Like, if they just didn't update the game after they added these helicopters, would be no problem, and you could still do that swimming glitch. Yeah, they removed it. So that's why I changed the name in my video showing you how to do it, saying that they removed it. And this here, if you're gonna watch another video, is cafe worker. This is what used to be the admin helicopter. Look, it's Elvis Presley. And if you just can't find that, what I mean by July 4th, 2021, by, I don't know, a week from today, I'll just tell everyone what it is. Wow, this is really catchy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's inside here? Oh, just a... This is so weird, I can't even explain. Wait. There's nothing under the map. There's just this car. And I don't see anything that looks like a radio in it. What did I just do? Gosh, I can't spell today. Wow, this is so catchy. And there's no new crops, so, I mean, these aren't really new at all. And just like last time, it seems that it took 3 months to make new updates, which is annoying, which means 3 months later, I can finally get my old maps back, which sucks. Oh, he wants to see my helicopters, okay. At least hope the sound is being recorded, or else there'll be no point for this video. I might cut this part out because typically, viewers don't watch more than like 2 minutes, which is annoying. But in fact, speaking of which, I mean, if I don't cut it out, my update video is actually meant to be an hour long, but I cut half of it off. And yet still, no one watches past like 10 minutes, which is weird. Probably just lazy. I've got to understand where this is coming from. I don't want the ill emoji. Gosh. I wonder for our new emotes. Well, this is problematic. Well, oopsies. Forgot the camera still on. But yeah, this is kind of a big problem. Like, wow. I know I can't be the only one whose maps are missing. Like, really. Now, what's weird is the maps on my phone did not disappear, but the ones on my tablet did, because all I have are these crappy maps. Like, really, what am I supposed to do with these crappy maps? Really. That's really not good. I want to go back into the app and see if, well, that was very strange. Very strange. Maybe it has to be some kind of glitch or something. D-Day World War II. I bet the people who made those have never even been to Omaha Beach. I mean, I'm not trying to cap or anything, but, well, I've been to Omaha Beach on D-Day. And if you don't believe me, you can see some of my old videos from, I think, July or June of 2020. And if you're still watching, which I doubt you are, and what is this? Jeez. Well, anyways, if you're still watching, I will remake some of my classic videos in June, July, like Never Gonna Give You Up. I can't remember now. Well, I guess the lyrics called Never Gonna Give You Up. I'm gonna remake that. I'm just gonna make it so you can see my face instead of my back. That's literally all I had to do. And I'm gonna remake a Billie Jean is not my lover, because I just didn't do it very good last time. In my opinion, I'm gonna remake and spend the most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Gangster's paradise. And I might as well make the Weird Al Yankovic parody of it. Please tell me who Weird Al is, because if you don't, you're missing a lot. A lot. Weird Al, if you don't know, is this very popular artist who remakes very popular songs, like parodies of it, such as Gangster's Paradise and Beat It by Michael Jackson and Bad by Michael Jackson, and of course many other songs. Oh, and White and Nerdy, oh my gosh. I honestly don't remember the original name for that song, but oh my gosh. I'm going to make some of his videos too, and let me think. It's really weird about the music. Yeah, I'm judging by how this map was made. People who made it have never even been to Omaha Beach whatsoever, or seen a single World War II movie. Well, I guess generic city roleplay. Well, I guess this should be the end of the video. Really? Kicked? At least might as well see who kicked me. Generic city roleplay. I don't even know who you are. Why'd you kick me? That's really the majority of the time. I don't even know who they are. What? Whatever. Well, I guess until next time, I don't know. I'm not gonna do this. I don't know. Have a nice day or something. Well, yeah, have a nice day and wear a mask. I don't know. Just be a good person. Try not to infect people on purpose. You know, wear a mask. Wash your hands often.